Hi everybody and welcome back here at the cabin. This is an extra content to say thanks to ALLPOWERS because they saved me really with this fantastic portable power station and the solar panels. Well, this is the new R1500 model from ALLPOWERS, now upgraded with an even more powerful battery. Okay, this power station is a versatile and powerful solution, ideal for off-grid living, camping, or even as a backup for home power in case of emergencies. Thanks to the upgraded battery, the R1500 has a capacity of 1192 watts per hour and can deliver up to 1800 watt of continuous power with a peak of 3000 watts. This means it can power devices like laptops, lights, small kitchen appliances and even power tools. The technology of LiFePO battery, lithium iron phosphate batteries, it offers over 3500 charge cycles, which means you can use it daily for years before noticing any drop in capacity. This is a great news for everyone like me who wants a stable and safe system that can stand the test of time. The charging options are a strong point here. It can be charged both through solar panels and with a wall outlet, and if you want to combine these two methods, you can fully charge in just 2-3 hours. In a pinch, you can even recharge it with your car socket too. With solar energy, the R1500 become an excellent eco-friendly solution, perfect for those who want to reduce their environmental impact. Another advantage of the R1500 is the range of output, which allow you to power multiple devices at once. We have AC outlets for medium power devices, DC ports for low voltage item, and several USB ports, including 100 watt USB-C that can fast charge laptops and things like that. To monitor everything, the station has an intuitive LED display showing remaining charge, input and output power, and remaining runtime. This feature is super handy because it allows you to know in the real time how much power you have left and how much longer you can keep your device running. In conclusion, the ALLPOWERS R1500 is a reliable, safe and user-friendly power station with an upgraded high-performing battery. It's perfect in my opinion for those looking for an off-grid and emergency backup solution at home. Thanks to ALLPOWERS for giving me the chance to show you this device. I hope this overview was helpful. They support the channel and they sponsored the last video last Sunday. And sorry for the noise, someone is cutting firewood in the valley, even if it's the sunset here. And it was impossible for me to have an entire day of work with power tools running all the day long. And this is not only an extra content because here in the off-grid life, a portable power station like this it's really useful because in this moment ALLPOWERS give me energy for my workshop. I'm expanding my workshop, and then I can transport this unit in the bush and then I recharge my battery. Meanwhile I work. It's not important only for the off-grid life. it's useful even if you live in the city, in an apartment, in a flat, or things like that, because we are going through a period, in my opinion, of shortage, and a unit like this will help you to power up your appliance if we have a blackout, if you have a blackout on the grid. So thanks to ALLPOWERS to give me this this opportunity and to support the channel. But thank a lot to you guys to support my channel and our life here, my wife and me, with your presence and for watching the videos. So see you next time.